the Congress Kadlekai is named so because in the earlier days, in British era, secret notes would be transported in sacks or goni chilas of Kadlekai, and therefore the name the Congress Kadlekai. If you love your baked treats, this is a sight to behold. Sweet bun hogta ide alli, illi bread ide, puffs ide, idu nimdu capsicum.
Capsicum puff, yes.
Ilpasan.
Honey cake. ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮಾರು ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಲೇ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಬಟರ್.
ಹದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ?
Castor sugar.
Castor sugar.
Yes.
The flavor of the hingu is quite dominant. I think the turmeric goes to stain the peanuts. The toasted curry leaf brings with it its own flavors. Khara pudi inda khara agate. But
To balance all this, we'll add that castor sugar.
so to balance that, I can taste that teeniest edge of some sugar in that somewhere. Hi folks, this is Kripal Amanna, Gourmet on the Road, and you're watching Food Lovers TV. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying safe and strong. In times of uncertainty, we look to memories of the past to comfort us. We also seek comfort in food, flavors that we have consumed with great delight growing up. And so when you taste some of those flavors, it immediately conveys you back to the happy memories of yesteryear. And more so if you're far away from home, you yearn for those preparations, you yearn for those dishes that touch your heart and immediately convey you back to some happy memories from home. When my brother-in-law returns to the US after spending time in Bengaluru, he makes it a point to carry with him a very unique Bengaluru snack, the Congress Kadlekai. Because when he snacks on that Kadlekai, thousands of miles away from Bengaluru, it conveys him back to his happy times here. And the establishment that we are about to visit today, some say is where the Congress Kadlekai, that very traditional, comforting snack, was first prepared. We are on our way to Sreenivasa Brahmins Bakery here in South Bengaluru that's been around serving the community since the late 50s. Namaskara. So this is the iconic Sreenivasa Brahmins Bakery.
Yes.
So this is the new shop.
This is a new shop. 3 months back we opened it.
All right.
The production also happens in this building only.
All right.
The old one, which is of 63-year-old, is 300 meters away from here.
That's on DVG Road.
DVG Road, yes.
And this is?
This is Bull Temple Road.
Bull Temple Road. And you are Mrs. Vatsala Prasad.
Yes.
How are you doing?
Fine, sir.
So you are Mr. Ram Prasad.
Yeah, Ram.
And it was your father who began this?
Began in the year 1956.
1956.
Yeah. He came from Hassan district.
From Hassan district?
Holenarsipur.
Holenarsipur, okay. So is this that Ashtagrama part?
Ashtagrama.
Okay.
Yeah.
And your father's name, sir?
HR Ramaswamy Iyengar.
HR Ramaswamy Iyengar. So he began this in 1956. So the Congress Kadlekai, ಜನರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಮೈದಾನ ಕೋಟಾ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅವಾಗ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಫಾದರ್ದೇ ರೆಸಿಪಿ.
ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಟೈಮು?
ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಅವಾಗ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಫಾದರ್ದೇ ರೆಸಿಪಿ.
ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಲೇಟ್ 70s, 77, 79.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೆಸರು ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದೊಳಗಡೆ ಈ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು.
That is the Indian National Congress.
Before independence.
ಗೋಣಿ ಚೀಲಲ್ಲಿ.
ಗೋಣಿ ಚೀಲದಲ್ಲಿ. Secrets
ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಆ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅದು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂತು.
That's fascinating. So pre-independence, they would pass secret messages tucked away in Kadlekai goni chilas, in Kadlekai sacks of Kadlekai.
Yes.
And therefore, when his father made that dish during the emergency in the late 70s, when there was a shortage and rationing of flour, they still had to run the business, they had to feed so many livelihoods. So they decided to create this interesting recipe with peanuts, and that's why named it as Congress Kadlekai. Yes. Fantastic. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ I can see Sumar Congress Kadlekai ಇದೆ. This is an iconic pack ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ all over the world.
Yes. Only if it is sold in this logo it has more value.
So it has to have the SBB logo. Fantastic. And my brother-in-law, when he visits Bengaluru, he lives in New Jersey. When he comes to Bengaluru, spends a week, 2 weeks. Last day nalli, DVG Road shop. He has to go there and stock up.
ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಫಾರಿನಿಂದ ಬಂದರೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನು ತರಬೇಡಪ್ಪ, ನಮಗೆ ಅದು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಕಡವೆಜ ತಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಸ್ಟು.
ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ?
ಅದು ಆ ಥರ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್, ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
And the main ingredient that
ಅಸಫಡಿಡ ಹಿಂಗು,
ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ that gives a main flavor to the
quality use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Quality and all the peanuts will be in the same size. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಲ್ಲು ಮರಳಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ,
ತುಂಬಾ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಓ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಲ್ ಪಸಂದ್ ಸಹ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
And this is bonda kadlekai bija.
Oh, bonda bija. So these little peanuts are little bondas.
ಇದು ಫ್ರೈಡ್.
Fried kadlekai.
They make pepper congress also.
Pepper congress also. So kadlekai is a very important part of.
That too in Basavanagudi. Here kadlekai perse.
Correct.
Every year it will. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಕಡಲೆಕಾಯಿ ಪರ್ಸೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸುತ್ತ ಹಳ್ಳಿನೇ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. ಸುತ್ತ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಜನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಕಡಲೆಕಾಯಿ ಮಾರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಈ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಾಗಿ, ಬೆಳೆದು ಮಾರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ನಂದಿ ಬಂದು
ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು
ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಂದು ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ರೈತರು,
the farmers,
they pray to God that will first harvest ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಂದಿಗೆ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡಬೇಡ ಬೆಳೆನ ಅಂತ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್ ಡೇ ಇದು ನಡೀತಾ ಆನ್ಯುಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಡಲೆಕಾಯಿ ಪರಿಷೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾರ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ನಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ Kadlekai Parishe.
So that is offered to Nandi Bull at the temple.
Namma idu coincidence or namma adrishtana eno, we are located right in front of that bull.
You can take blessings at the Nandi Bull temple, and you can also help yourself to plenty of peanuts, right from the Congress peanut to the bonda bija to the fried bija, and also now the latest, the pepper congress.
Capsicum puff anta idu tumba popular.
Oh, capsicum puff.
Capsicum, onion, carrot.
But veg puff, aloo gadde pan, Spanish roll.
Yes, spinach, lettuce ella haki, cheese haki ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಸುಮಾರು ಇದೆ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. What are your names? Abhiram. Madhuri. So you are the third generation.
Yes.
So your father is the first generation, second generation, and the third generation. So are you full time in this?
Yes.
If you love your baked treats, this is a sight to behold. Sweet bun ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ bread ಇದೆ, puffs ಇದೆ. So what is happening here?
Dil pasand.
Dil pasand.
Dil pasand ಗೆ ಚೆರಿ, ಫ್ರೂಟ್, ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೋಡಂಬಿ, ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ, cardamom ಲೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ. So all these recipes, so when your father began this, ಅವಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ಐಟಮ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay. ದಿಲ್ ಪಸಂದ್ ಇತ್ತು.
ದಿಲ್ ಪಸಂದ್, ಬ್ರೆಡ್, ಬನ್ನು, ಖಾರ ಬನ್ನು, ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ಸ್. ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಂದು 4-5 ವೆರೈಟಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
4-5 ವೆರೈಟಿ.
ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು 15 ಇಂದ 20 ವೆರೈಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
R&D ಮಾಡಿ he started his own.
Sir, how long have you been in this?
Almost age of 13.
56, almost 43 years.
43 years. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? No egg.
All egg.
So this is a zero egg. Pure veg.
ಇದು ಡೋನಟ್ ಇದೆ. ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Oh, donut, sweet donut. ಅದೇನು ಸರ್?
ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್.
ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮಾರು ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಲೇ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಬಟರ್.
ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಕ್ರಂಚಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ.
ಇವ್ರ ತಂದೆದ ರೆಸಿಪಿ.
ಇದು 1950s ಇಂದ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಸರ್? ಮೈದಾ ಇದೆ, ಬಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಶುಗರ್ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್. This is a cookie that's rather soft as you touch it, rather powdery, but it still has a bit of a crunch. And I think with all that butter ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? 25%? ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. With all that butter, ಬಾಯಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ after some time ಕರಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Always nice to come to the kitchen in the bakeries. Fresh ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್.
Okay.
ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು.
ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ಟು ಬಿ ಬೇಕ್ಡ್. ಹನಿ ಕೇಕ್.
ಹನಿ ಕೇಕ್. ಹನಿ ಕೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಲೈಕ್ಸ್ ಹನಿ ಕೇಕ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೀಗ ಶುಗರ್ ಸಿರಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ?
ಹೌದು, ಶುಗರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಹನಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹನಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ?
ಹಾಕ್ಲೇಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಮ್ ಕೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಇದು ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಕೇಕ್.
ಇದು ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಕೇಕ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಪ್ಲಮ್ ಕೇಕ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅದು ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್? ವಿದೌಟ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. So this is the pure Iyengar bakery. No eggs and no alcohol in the plum cake. So if you have any concerns about that, you can come freely without any tension to Sreenivasa Brahmins Bakery. I can smell the peanuts in the air here. So where does this kadlekai come from, sir? Ellinda barute idu kadlekai?
Almost from Hiriyur.
Hiriyur. Illi grade irutte kadlekai? A grade. So I think all the kadlekai that I see here are quite big in terms of the size of the nut itself. How much peanuts do you source on a daily basis?
Almost 50 to 60 kgs.
50-60 kilos. And weekends ge jasti irutte?
100 kilos.
100 kilos. And festival days and all that? Innu jasti agutte.
Now we are tying up with the export people. We are exporting across the globe.
So my brother-in-law doesn't have to visit you?
No.
He'll get in all supermarkets in US.
ಇದೇನು ಸರ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇದು ಇಂಗು, ಅರಿಶಿನ, ಆಯಿಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಆಯಿಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯಿಲ್ ಏನು ಆಯಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್?
ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ನಟ್ ರಿಫೈಂಡ್.
ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ನಟ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. Oh, some of the masala that's already there in that. It's such a happy sight to watch that kadlekai being mixed with the turmeric, the oil, of course, the salt and the hingu. This ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋ ಇರಬಹುದು ಸರ್?
ಇದು 20 kilos.
20 kilos. So recipes are all standardized to 20 kilos.
20.
So tell me sir, people ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಕಡಲೆಕಾಯಿ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಲವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಆ ಥರ?
ಫಸ್ಟು ಅವರು ಪೀನಟ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸಲ. ಎರಡನೇದು ಇಂಗು ತುಂಬ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ. ಮೇನ್ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಹಿಂಗು ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಂಗು, ರೈಟ್? ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಫ್ಘಾನಿಸ್ತಾನ. All right, so this is some chili powder, some chili, the man-cut chili, which is a spicy chili. Yeah, it's very spicy.
Very spicy. And some salt that's going into it. And that he's going to sieve it atop the kadlekai that already has some turmeric, hingu. I like the way he's meticulously bringing it all together. He wants to ensure that none of that masala, none of that spice mix is left unmixed. So every now and then he's bringing it from the bottom to the top and therefore ensuring that all that spice gets evenly coated. Idu kainalli madudu sir. Machine alli sulabha irbodu. Agalla. Taste baralla. Trial madidira.
Handmade only.
And also will it break when you do it in a machine?
Chances are there.
Chances are there.
Ingredients ಎಲ್ಲ machine ಗೆ ಅಂಟಿಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
Crisply fried curry leaf. Fantastic. So I think what this also does is it imparts layers of flavors, Allah. So first the peanuts get coated with the turmeric, with the flavor of the hingu, and also gets coated with all that oil. And I think all that oil also ensures that the masala sticks to the peanut.
Yes.
Right? So when they add the chili powder and the salt, that peanut readily holds on to it, and also that crispened fried curry leaf. And there you go, that Congress kadlekai. That was first made by Mr. Ramaswamy Iyengar in the late 70s. And now we know that the Congress kadlekai is named so because in the earlier days, in the pre-British era, secret notes would be transported in sacks or goni chilas of kadlekai, and therefore the name the Congress kadlekai. So the Congress kadlekai will always be half.
How? It's split.
It is split. Some people also say that it is split because the Congress party got split, but here we've learned from them that has nothing to do with it. Fantastic. We're tasting some of the fried kadlekai. ಖಾರ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾರ್ನೆಸ್ ಇದೆ.
ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್
ಅದು ಹುಳಿ
ಹುಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಹುಳಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಆಮ್ಚೂರ್ ಪೌಡರ್.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚಾಟ್ ಮಸಾಲ.
ಚಾಟ್ ಮಸಾಲ ತಿಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬಾಯದು ನಾಲಿಗೆ ತುದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡಿಯುತ್ತೆ. And then somewhere else at the back of your tongue you can taste that salt and also a bit of the sourness that I'm told comes from the amchur masala, and I'm sure there are other ingredients that go into it, because I think every family has recipes that they have carefully cultivated, evolved, developed over years. Idu eshtu halid sir?
Idu almost ಒಂದು 10 years ಆಯ್ತು.
So for those of you watching, I think you will probably associate Sreenivasa Brahmins Bakery with this original outlet, which came up in the year 1956. The other store that we were in, which also houses the kitchen, is a new addition that was made only about 3 months ago.
Yes.
So typically when you come to a bakery, you pick up your products and you probably savor them in the comfort of your home. But I want to savor all of them fresh right here at the store. Idenu?
This is KBC.
KBC. KBC Congress.
KBC Butter Congress.
KBC Butter Congress. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತು ಒಂದು ಬನ್ ಒಳಗೆ?
ನಾವು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ
ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು.
ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ.
Why not introduce to the
ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಕೊಡ್ಕೊಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಹಾಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ KBC ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ
ಯು ಆರ್ ದ ಪಯನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ KBC ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್. ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಕಡ್ಲೆಕಾಯಿ ಸಹ. So well, we have our KBC Butter Congress and therefore the KBC. ಏನು ಬಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ನಂದಿನಿ. ಸರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೀವು ಸರ್. There's plenty of benne that's gone into it, so you can see that benne is almost peeping out of the edges, and then of course there's a Congress kadlekai. Kadlekai is given in to the butter, to the benne. Idralli ashtu kara ansala. Congress. I love the fact that there's so much butter in it. Butter makes everything better. ಇದು ನನಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಟರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮಾಮೂಲಿ. Somewhere now at the back, I can also taste that the curry leaf that's probably also in the khara bun. The khara bun also has some green chili, alla? The paste ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಬ್ಬಕ್ಕಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಪೆಪ್ಪರು, ಜೀರಾ.
Mr. Ram Prasad said ಜೀರಿಗೆ. Correct, our timing away. I can taste the ಜೀರಿಗೆ.
ನಾವು ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಸೇರಿಸಲ್ಲ ಇದು.
And I also like the fact that the bun is soft. ಇದು ಬನ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ? ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ.
More than 500 KBC will sell.
So every day you make a fixed number of buns.
Yeah.
So close adre close. I love the fact that there's a curry leaf, and I think this curry leaf is from that Congress kadlekai. And because they mix it up in a manner that that curry leaf is not crushed, you still see the whole curry leaf even within this KBC. The flavor of the curry leaf, the lushness of the butter, and then the softness of the bun. That bun is extremely soft, and also it's a bun that isn't dry. You know, when the bun's been kept for a while, it tends to get dry, but this bun is soft. It's a sort that comes together rather well. This bunning shelf life ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್?
ಬರೀ ಖಾರ ಬನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 4 to 5 days ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದು ನಾವು ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಏನು ಬರಲ್ಲ.
ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಪೀನಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್. ನಾನು ಆವಾಗ ಪೀನಟ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಪ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಬಟರ್ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೆದು ಆಗಿದೆ. I love the lushness of the butter that coats the tongue. Next we come PalyaBun. It's about 2 o'clock now. I think I'm going to make my tasting almost like a lunch. You know, even as I lift this PalyaBun, the aloo bun, what's really striking here is the thickness of that aloo in that. That thickness of the aloo is almost as much as the thickness of the bun, which is always a good thing in my books. Dharala haktira potatoes. I can taste the soft bite of the onions, and also perhaps really limbe lime juice. I can taste ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ warmth ಇದೆ green chili ಇಂದ, but what really counterbalances that is the tartness that you get from some lime juice that's been probably drizzled over this palya. You also have the soft bite of some lentils. There's some kadle bele that goes into it. So you also have the soft bite that comes from that. And that potato is a sort that's almost creamy, mousse-like in its consistency. It's not chunks of potatoes, but the potatoes have been
smashed properly.
What has really endeared this aloo gadde bun to me is the proportion of the palya to the bun. You always want a little more of the palya. Solpa anand agate. You feel happy when you see more of the palya. Also, that bun is rather soft. That bun is rather pliable. You know, even as I bite into the bun, it's not a sort of bun that's disintegrating. This is a bun that's come together rather well. It's a bun that's soft and pliable, that holds itself together well. Is this also popular?
Yeah.
Very much.
Actually, this is a flighted turn off. Flight al koda dashi struggle Idu KBC, bun butter jamu.
Not a bad idea. I think you on the airport nalli ಒಂದು shop open ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Offer ಬಂದಿತ್ತು airport ಇಂದ, but ನಮಗೆ logistics will be a tough.
You know, I can imagine when you board one of those flights, we don't really get the sort of food that you want to get. Maybe just pack a couple of these khara bun and the aloo gadde bun. Bun butter jam.
This will be the life saviors in flight.
You know, sometimes food looks very simple. Enide palya ide bun ಒಳಗೆ ಪಲ್ಯ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದು R&D. ಏನು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಫ್ಲೇವರ್, ಇಷ್ಟು ಇದು ಖಾರ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್.
ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕೋದು. ಉಪ್ಪು, ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ,
even the lemon juice is also measured.
Is measured
25 ml, 50 ml, like that.
So there is a recipe for everything. So it's not just in the mind.
No, it's in the mind.
It's in the mind.
It's in the mind as well as
documented.
Yes, documented.
Because you have to also tell your people who make the things. My last quarter of the aloo gadde bun, aloo palya bun. Palya bun. So aloo helalla.
Aloo helalla. It's commonly called as palyaBun.
Palya andre adu aloo gadde irlebeku.
Because it is a main binding agent. Any palya you take.
Correct.
Next capsicum puff.
Next capsicum puff. I better finish this last quarter of the PalyaBun. That's a punchy, flavored PalyaBun.
No one can miss this bakery.
I can see you have some
sabbakki nippat.
Sabbakki nippat. Sagopal, sabudana.
Sabudana nippat. Joda nippat. Ragi nippat. Pepper. Pepper.
Pepper nippat. Sandra, if you're a nippat lover, this is a sort of store shelf that you want to see. You've tasted all of them. So I don't know if you will taste the nippat this time, but Mr. Venkatesh vouches for the nippat. So if you come here, you should also taste the nippat. Which nippat have you taken? The sabbakki nippat.
Yes, sabudana.
Sabudana nippat.
All of them are made of sabudana.
Oh, all of them are sabudana. That's ragi, no sir?
Ragi sabudana.
Oh, ragi and sabudana. Oh, so I mean, going by the authority with which you speak on these products, I think you've been coming here for a long time.
I stay here in Export
Okay.
in 1991.
Oh, okay. So 30 years. Nice to meet you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. On that note, let's go for that capsicum puff. Puff. Pata nahi local nahi puff ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ.
Puffs ಅಂತಾರೆ. Puffs ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕನ್ನಡ word.
Puffs ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಡ್, ಬಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವು, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. Puffs. ಇದು capsicum puffs.
ಇದು one of the hottest selling items here.
Hot ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. I like the flavor, the vegetable flavor of that capsicum. Of course, I think the capsicum also brings with it a little bit of moisture that seeps into that puff pastry as it's being baked. So on the top, it's quite flaky and crunchy. On the underside, slightly laden with the moisture that comes from the capsicum. That masala is quite nice.
ಚಕ್ಕೆ ಲವಂಗ ಮರಾಠಿ ಮಗ್ಗು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗ್ರೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಏನೇನು ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವರು. ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಅಂಗಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ನಾನ್ ವೆಜ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ, ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದು ಪಫ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ಪಫ್ ಮಸಾಲೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿನಮನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಲವಂಗ ಕ್ಲೋವ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮರಾಠ ಮಗ್ಗು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್.
So some of the ingredients which tend to flavor a biryani, those are sort of flavors that you taste in that masala. in that onion capsicum puff. What I like about the puffs that I've tasted so far, even the buns, is there's plenty of filling in that. And also the onion has been braised, so that onion also brings a certain sweetness.
Yeah.
Madala.
I introduced about 25 years ago.
So ಬಹುಶಃ ಇದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಹ ಅಷ್ಟು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. And there's a bit of a heat that you get. The sort of vegetable notes of the capsicum, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ green chili ಸಹ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಖಾರಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಗ್ರೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ
So basically that spice then gets scattered throughout that stuffing.
Hello, nice to meet you, sir.
Have I come to the right place?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Very right place. You're too late actually.
I'm too late.
Yeah.
You know, that's a very good statement that you make. And a lot of people tell me that. And I tell people this. I said, wherever I go, I will always be late. Because there are always people like you who have discovered so many of these places. And it takes some time by the time I get to know of it.
Maybe you started late.
Maybe I began late. So I have a lot to catch up in life.
ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸಿಕಮ್ ಅದು ವೆಜ್.
Super ಇದೆ capsicum, try ಮಾಡಿ. Well, I've just come to this store the first time. I'm already recommending people. Next time try ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್.
ನಿಪ್ಪಟ್ಟು, ಆನಿಯನ್, ಕರಿ ಲೀವ್ಸ್, ಕೊತ್ತಂಬರಿ ಸೊಪ್ಪು, ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ, ಉಪ್ಪು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದು ಓವನ್ ಬೇಕ್ಡ್ ಇದು. So it is supposed to be slightly healthier. So because it's also oven baked, does it stay for a longer time? Yeah, we can keep it for 20 to 25 days.
20-25 days ಏನು ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ. ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದು ಆನಿಯನ್ ಇದು
ಆ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ,
ಘಮ ಘಮ ಪರಿಮಳ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. And I also like the toasted notes that you get from the nippat. Because it's baked, it doesn't bite with a crackle. When you fry the nippat, karum kurum agate. Because it is baked, so crisp, it bites like a cookie.
Yes. Monaco biscuits ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
But definitely a much better alternative to the Monaco biscuit.
Yes, of course.
We watch your YouTube channel a lot.
Do you? Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Would you like a nippat?
No, like
You sure?
It's really tempting. Even we also buy from this bakery. It's really amazing.
Yeah? What do you normally buy from here?
I really like the honey cakes over here.
Oh, that's what I'm going to finish with. Honey cake. Recommended.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Definitely something I'm going to try.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you so much.
See you. Happy eating.
Thank you.
This chai ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಸಾಂಬಾರು, ರಸಂ ಊಟದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ.
Instead of a hapala, you have this. ಇದೇನು ಚಿಕ್ಕದು?
ಎಳ್ಳು.
Oh, sesame. So that brings a certain nuttiness to it. And of course, the reason why you see these holes here is because it's docked as it's placed on the tray. Because otherwise when it's baking, it will puff up.
Yes.
That's why they dock the nippat like they would dock some of the cookies as well.
Makes more crispier.
It makes more crispier. So it also allows the air to pass through. And that's why the nippat bites as scrumptious as a cookie. So this is a sweet bun, some jam and
Butter.
Butter makes everything better.
Yes.
Happy eating. This is a sort of snack that conveys you back to childhood memories. School ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅವರಿಗೆ time, if she didn't have time to make breakfast, well, what came to the rescue? Some bread, some butter and some jam.
Yes.
Some mixed fruit jam. And this bread is also sweetened.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಳಿಯೋಗರೆ ಗೊಜ್ಜಿದು ತುಂಬ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರೇ ಬಂದು ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ತಾರೆ.
So it's a new ಮಾಡೋದು.
ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋದು.
So that's a puliogre goju. So I can see some peanuts in this, and of course that paste with of course the huli as the base, the tamarind as the base, and all these spices that go into it. This is a sort of condiment that will allow you to savor a taste of Bengaluru or taste of the south in a hurry. All that you need is some hot steamed rice.
That's all.
And mix in a couple of spoons of that goju, saku.
Yes, sir. We won't use any sort of preservative in any of our products.
If there's a customer like me, I don't think they need preservative. I eat it right then and there. And now we come to the pièce de résistance. The reason why people throng to SBB, short for Sreenivasa Brahmins Bakery, the Congress KADLEKAI. So we watched the making, now it's time to do some tasting. when you hold this peanut, it's not the sort of peanut that has a lot of oil. Oil ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ.
ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪೌಡರ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಪೌಡರ್, ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉದುರೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
Correct. So the oil is important for the spices to clamber on to that KADLEKAI, and for that KADLEKAI to retain all the spices. But what's nice is that even as I hold this, it isn't the sort that leaves too much of an oil residue. Hada solpa sakre haktira.
Castor sugar.
Castor sugar.
Yes.
The flavor of the hingu is quite dominant. I think the turmeric goes to stain the peanuts. The curry leaf, the toasted curry leaf brings with it its own flavors. Khara pudi in the khara agate. But then you're also...
To balance all this, we'll add that castor sugar.
So to balance that, I can taste that teeniest edge of some sugar in that somewhere. What's nice here is that even as I displace the KADLEKAI, you don't see any masala on the plate. That masala is held in place on the peanut itself, and that's where the oil does the trick to bind that spice together. You know, this is, I'm ninkondu tinta idane, but this is a sort of snack mane takondu hogi pursat nalli TV ನೋಡ್ತಾ ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲ. Also this is a sort of snack that you can't really keep. Once you start ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, they always say, there's a saying, right? It's easiest not to take the first bite, because once you take the first bite and the second and the third,
It goes on and on.
You can easily have a packet of this in your hand, watch television, ನೋಡ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, but the KADLEKAI ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. Let's taste the bonda bija. This is much more milder. In this you can taste more the flavor, the nutty flavor of the peanut. Otherly peanut ide, you're crunching into the peanut and all of that, but the flavors are more of the spices.
Yes, yes.
Illi spice ide, khara pudi ide, bere ella ide, but because it's deep fried in that gram flour batter, khara kadime agate, we can taste the nuttiness of the peanut. This is a fried KADLEKAI, and this is skin on. This is skin on. Sakat khara ide, pepper ide idರಲ್ಲಿ.
Once when it is mixed with rice and chat or anything else, that will be settled.
Correct. So this is also the sort of peanut, if you're not used to too much spice, it's a sort of peanut that will go well with maybe a bisi bele baat.
Iga chitrana
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಹಾಗೆ.
And that hint of sourness that comes.
Yes, that amchur powder.
From some of that amchur, that masala.
It's a facial expression.
It lights up your palate like a Christmas tree. So we are rounding off our KADLEKAI tasting here with the pepper KADLEKAI. What's really nice here, you can taste the warmth of the pepper, but because it's not too spicy, ಅದು KADLEKAI nuttiness ಕೂಡ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ KADLEKAI ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು hint of sweetness ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
It has its own sweetness.
The KADLEKAI has its own sweetness. That's also what I'm tasting here. You know, when you're tasting any item, any food item, spend some time listening to what it has to say.
Mindful eating.
Mindful eating. Mindful eating not just in terms of portion control. Because a lot of people do mindful eating because they want to control the...
No.
Yeah.
They have to relish the taste. That is also mindful eating.
Absolutely. As Mrs. Vatsala said, you have to relish the taste. And as I taste this KADLEKAI with the pepper warmth ide, but what's really nice,
that nuttiness and the sweetness within.
That sweetness within that KADLEKAI. We've tasted 4 KADLEKAI bijas: Congress, Bonda bija, fried and pepper. All 4 unique in the manner in which they approach your palate. It is dipped in that sugar and honey syrup. This is a cake that's quite heavy in the weight, and then it's smeared on with a jam. So I get the part with the cream. This is butter cream, huh? I can taste the graininess of the coconut. Of course, as the name suggests, the honey cake is a cake for those who like sweetness in excess. So if you're the sort who likes a mildly flavored tea cake, this cake may be a bit of a sugar overload for you. But let me tell you, the honey cake in Bengaluru has legions of fans. And And as I just learned from the young couple that I met a few minutes ago, they love the honey cake here because this is an eggless honey cake. And I think the jam also brings with it a hint of acidity. And that I think helps traditionally balance against the sweetness of the cake. The desiccated coconut too helps to a certain extent. Well, that was an enjoyable afternoon here. Not only did we get to witness the making of that iconic Congress KADLEKAI, but we also tasted a whole bunch of scrumptious savories and also some sweet items that make SBB or Sreenivasa Brahmins Bakery extremely popular. And needless to say, I've also packed some goodies to take home. So if you want to savor a scrumptious and sweet slice of Bengaluru's tradition, a tradition that goes back nearly 7 decades, definitely find your way to Sreenivasa Brahmins Bakery, either at the original outlet on DVG Road or their new store on Bull Temple Road. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Gourmet on the Road. Until the next time, take care, stay safe, and happy eating.
If you'd like to support the work that we do at Food Lovers TV, do consider joining our membership community on YouTube by hitting the join button below or on the home page. You could pledge a nominal sum and receive special privileges like behind the scenes footage, shoot updates, access to live Q&As, and a lot more. You could support us on our Patreon page as well. For more info, check out the links in the description below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Happy eating!